Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to see you here today. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. English speaking is a skill, and every skill needs practice. Today, we will talk about English speaking. Do not worry. Do not feel afraid. English is not difficult. English becomes easy when we learn it with a calm mind and daily practice. Every small effort makes you better. Many people think English is very hard, but the truth is simple. English is just a language. It is like your mother tongue. You learned your first language by listening and speaking. You did not learn it from books first. You learned it step by step. Everyone learns English at a different speed. The same rule works for English. You do not need to speak fast to speak well. Speaking slowly is completely okay. Why do we learn English? We learn English to communicate. We learn English to talk to people. We learn English to share our thoughts and feelings. English helps us in jobs, travel, study, and daily life. English is a bridge, not a barrier. But remember one thing. English is not only for smart people. English is for everyone. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be confident. Fluency grows when you use English daily.
Fear is the biggest problem. Most learners are afraid of making mistakes. They think, people will laugh at me. They think, my English is not good. This fear stops them from speaking. Silence will not improve your English. Speaking will. But listen carefully. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes mean you are trying, not failing. When a child learns to walk, the child falls many times. But the child never stops trying. That is why the child learns to walk. English learning is the same. Speak English every day. You do not need a partner. You do not need a teacher all the time. You can practice alone at home. Practice even when you feel tired. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. Say simple sentences like, I am cooking food. I am going to the market. I am watching a video. This small habit will help you think in English. One sentence a day can change your future. Listen more, speak more. Listening is very important. When you listen more, you learn natural English. Listen to easy English videos. Listen to slow English stories. Listen again and again. You learn more when you enjoy the process. Then repeat the sentences loudly. Do not whisper. Speak clearly. Your confidence will grow day by day. Confidence comes from action, not from thinking.
Do not try to be perfect. Do not wait to speak perfect English. Perfect English is not needed. Clear English is enough. Keep English simple and clear. Even native speakers make mistakes, so do not feel shy. Speak with confidence. People will understand you. Speak with your heart, not with fear. Remember this line, fluency is better than perfection. Learn small, practice daily. Do not try to learn too much in one day. Learn a few sentences every day. Practice them again and again. Consistency is the real secret of fluency. 10 minutes daily practice is better than 1 hour once a week. Small steps bring big results. Today's practice is tomorrow's confidence. Believe in yourself. You can speak English. Yes, you can. If others can do it, you can do it too. Do not compare yourself with others. Your journey is special and important. Believe in your journey. Believe in your practice. Never give up. Your voice matters, so use it. One day, you will speak English confidently. One day, you will smile and say, I did it. Final message. My dear friends, English is not your enemy. English is your friend. Practice daily. Speak slowly. Enjoy learning.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I truly appreciate your time and your support. It means a lot to me that you are learning English with me. I hope this video helped you feel more confident. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Do not feel sad if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Please keep practicing every day, even if it is only for a few minutes. Speak English whenever you get a chance. Believe in yourself and trust the process. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to make more helpful videos for you. See you in the next video with more easy and useful English lessons. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling.